What's up, everybody? Pal 702 back today with another and that was some Wu-Tang chess boxing. What you know about the Wu-Tang? Anyone that listen to Wu-Tang, you need to look them up right now. Oh, fuck that. Let's go again.
To your left.
To the left, to the left.
A little bit more, just a little bit.
That's all I got. That's all I got for you. That's it. Ah.
Ready?
Did I ever say that's it?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go downtown. I'm gonna show you all around the 5A's basics. Put a build in it. Definitely listen to son of a bitch.
I hate you.
Can you see the door? It starts to open up. You know, maybe they could have made the post go a little bit further around. My dog's going crazy. Is she gone? I think she's gone. So the fact that you can't close down, you know, this airflow, it's kind of a con because it, you know, on certain builds with certain flavors.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, let's just keep going. I've, you know, lately my thing with single coils, you know, especially those made from China, are, you know, this or my favorite kind of
Four.
got a jaw cramp. It cramped. Okay, let's redo that again. Okay.
4, 3.
Another good thing, well, fuck, I don't want to go back into pros again. I'm gonna end this. Yeah, I forgot how to review. Do I remember how to review?
4.
Yeah!
3.
Throw a build in it. You know we always got some good music. Oh. We ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh. 4, 3.
Clouds, bro. Clouds. Clouds, bro. So let's do this. All right, hold on. I don't know what to say after that. Okay. We're gonna start off with the pros, and we're gonna, no.
Start off with the cons.
Anyways. Fuck. Bro, it's as far as I could go. some issues with it, which we're gonna go over when we go downtown. But I got it.
What? The downtown threw you off, huh?
Yes. And I just wasn't super enthused. No.
Start all over again, like from the beginning. Just gather yourself.
Big hands, I know you're the one. Stop.
You ready to rock and roll?
Fucking A rights I am.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's do that again. Right? Easy to pop off. Beautiful mech tube right here. Really? It'd be so awesome if I could vape this.
A few moments later.
Fuck you.
Stop hitting on my boo, okay?
Yes, I know I fucked up. I forgot to turn the mic on in this clip here. So if anyone can figure out or even come close to figuring out what Pal and I was discussing during this time, we will give away a MoseONE. Thanks.
That sucks.
Sad.
I can't like
We fucked up. Take 2.